my correct people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How una dey, my correct people? I beg, if you use to see this channel for the first time, can they do me a favor by hitting that red subscription button that says subscribe and on the bell icon, the notification bell, so that anytime when I take drop any video, you go receive the alert for your phone. Yes, so my country people, I am back again. It don red, oh my people, it don red for social media. Wan catch fire because say promise Papa Valery don land for Austra. My country people, this one na breaking news, so no be small thing. And as e come land na our people, trust our people na they come react. Because he just dey sing la 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 la. E no just talk na your short video or how many second video na the man just drop. That is promise. Choose Papa Valery don arrive Austra to fight for the custody of his daughter. Now see am for here na. Na know say KO family e don receive the custody, and now this our brother promise na he wake up for his slumber. Okay, my people, make we see wetin our commenters need to talk about this matter or grant. Say welcome back to Austra, bro, a country of law and order. Hey, una hear am. So we can't get another commenter. This video na sharply one, just drop am because I get appointment. This man thanks Europe is Africa. What did this person want to say? This man thinks Europe is Africa, where you can come into a child's life just like that, a child that does not bear your name. The battle will last more than 4 years in court. By then, she be 18 years. To tell you straight in the eyes, she does not want you in her life for missing yourself, or before messing yourself up, my country people. How una see this comment wey this commenter come drop for here for promise Papa Valery? Na believe so, because law dey Europe no be small, because all those commenters now wetin dem dey talk for this video, they dey very right. You can just jump from your bed, say you wan go carry pikin wey be say you don abandon for years, you wan go fight for the custody. I no talk say e bad though. Sorry guys, e no bad, e good make e fight for e right, because na the biological father na e be. But wetin me I believe say make e fight for the right, because he's the father of the pikin. If he still fight am and win, we go still celebrate with am. If he no still win, he go still know say he even fight put. Not be like some parents wey be say that they abandon their children, they no even care. Now understand, at least Papa Valery still dey shake body now. Okay, my people, make we dey go another comment. So this man fit come Austra while he leave the pikin for orphanage home before. What a wicked man. If na me be Valery, I go deny am. Hey, e don red though, my people. Shey una hear wetin this commenter talk for here? Say he say so this man fit come Austra while he leave Valery for orphanage home since all those years wey call abandon am, why he no fight for the case since then. My people, how una see this comment wey this person come drop for here now? Anything wey una think about the comments, make una no forget to comment down below. Whether this comments are right or wrong, una go still let us know for the comment section. Abeg my people, make una support me. Make una share my video. Share my video out to your friends and family. Make una dey share my video, dey go WhatsApp. Make people for still come know my channel, wetin I dey do. So guys, we come still get another comment from here, okay? He said, this is what you were expecting, what you were expected to do, since this is what we were expected to do since, but now you carry marigo give presenters, wey e be say some of biological children food chop is, so you can actually come to Austra. Why did you let your daughter to be in the orphanage home this long? Anyway, Europe no be Africa. We dey here dey watch. Yes na, we dey here dey watch o. No be small thing my people. So wetin una still think about this very commenter wey come drop this one for Papa Valery, say this is what you were expected to do since, but no, you carry Mary go give presenter. Yes, e come carry the issue go give presenters. Yes, first of all, e no suppose come out for presenters issue come take follow this her pikin case. Na this way na im for just follow go see KO family, dem go discuss. Even though say na restaurant dem for see go control am, dem go discuss all those kind stuff of a thing. Or as e take come so, because as e come so na hotel e go stay, no be K family again go fight for the case. So we get another comment for here, make we dey do am sharp sharp, make we call dey go. Let him close his mouth first. Europe is not Africa. He will answer so many questions. It's not easy as some people think. Okay, this commenter dey let Papa Valery dey know say make e no think say as Africa be oyo, your jump come out say you wan come fight for the case of your pikin. E say Europe no be like Africa. Na this commenter dey let Papa Valery promise dey know. E say let him close his mouth first. Europe is not Africa. He will answer so many questions. It's not easy as some people think. Yes, e no really easy as we think am say na so e go be for Papa Valery, my people. So we come get another comment for here. Primary school dropout. People try to enter this page and watch educative program. Not only saga we dey block una brain. Una go dey watch, una dey say Austra for go lis ten to the father of the child. My people, yes, so for comment section, no be only saga una go dey watch, dey comment bra 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 for there. All those kind thing e still dey educative. We go still learn from am, and a lot of men dem go still learn from this Papa Valery o, wey be say pikin dey orphanage home since then, you no even fight put. After all family don fight all the issue, now you jump come out kpekin. My people, anything wey una think about this video, make una no forget to comment down below. Also like and share my video, very important. Sharing is love, guys. If you never subscribe, also do subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.